Hello viewers, this is Jwala and you are watching Translatory Space channel. Today we are gonna discuss about motion. So while let's start. First, what is motion and rest? Motion. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to the reference point. For example, a car moving on the road. Rest. An object is said to be in rest if it doesn't change its position with respect to the reference point. For example, a table lying in a room. Rest and motion are relative. While sitting in a moving train, your distances from the walls, roof and the floor of the compartment do not change. That is, with respect to the compartment, your position doesn't change. You are at rest with respect to the compartment, but your distance from the platform from which you boarded the train changes as time passes. So you are apparently moving with respect to the platform. This means that an object can be at rest with respect to one thing and in motion with respect to some other thing at the same time. So motion is not absolute, it is relative. The distance of the platform from the compartment is changing as time passes. So the platform is moving with respect to the compartment. Also the compartment is moving with respect to the platform. Suppose two trains are moving on parallel tracks in the same direction. Both started together and are moving at the same speed. The distance of the person A sitting in the first train from another person B sitting in the other train will not change. So A is at rest with respect to B. Similarly, B is at rest with respect to A. Both are moving with respect to the platform, but they are at rest with respect to each other. So now discuss about types of motion. So there are many types of motion. There are translatory motion, rotational motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, periodic motion, random motion and multiple motion. Translatory motion. The motion in which all the particles of the body move through the same distance in the same time is called translatory motion. For example, a car moving on the road. And also, translatory motion is of two types, rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. When an object moves along a straight line like a ball dropped from a height, the motion described by the body is called rectilinear motion. For example, a ball rolling on the ground. Curvilinear motion. When a body moves along a curved path, the motion described by the body is called curvilinear motion. For example, a javelin thrown by an athlete. Rotational motion. A motion in which a body moves about a fixed axis without changing its position is called rotational motion. For example, the motion of the blades of a fan. Combination of translatory and rotational motion. For example, a moving bicycle. The wheel has rotational motion and the bicycle moves on a straight road. So in this motion, the translatory and rotational motion are combined. Circular motion. When a body moves around a circular path, the way an athlete runs around a circular track, such motion is called circular motion. For example, motion of a spinning top. Oscillatory motion. A motion in which the body as a whole moves to and fro about its mean position is called oscillatory motion. For example, the movement of a swing. Vibratory motion. It is another kind of oscillatory motion in which the body doesn't move as a whole. The entire object doesn't move but undergoes change in shape or size. For example, when you pluck a string of guitar or sitar, it vibrates to and fro about its position of rest and produces music. Periodic motion. A motion which repeats itself at regular intervals of time is called periodic motion. For example, the swimming pendulum of a wall clock. Random motion. A body which has a particular motion that suddenly changes to another kind of motion is said to have random motion. In other words, the motion without any sequence or direction is random motion. For example, a buzzing bee. Multiple motion. So, the earth rotates about its axis. So, this rotation is known as rotational motion. And at the same time, it revolves around the sun in a circular path. So, this is called circular motion. So, in this multiple motion, there are two types of motion. which are mixed. They are rotational motion and circulatory motion. Circular motion. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, that is Chalo Space. Thanks for watching.